Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I've teamed up with Wigcool and they sent me over this beautiful 26-inch Burmese curly lace wig. Now she's a banger. She's nice and she's full and she's long. She definitely gives that nice va-va boom. There's some girls who just want a little curly, just a little something. This one is for the heavy hitters. This one here is super curly. The texture is gorgeous. Of course, I will insert a clip immediately after this intro of what the hair looks like when it's dry, but she is gorgeous. I mean, think like SZA, think her, think the big hair girlies who love the vibes. I went ahead and did a very simple, quick and easy glueless install. We did use a hairspray to melt the lace down, but there's no glue. I did go ahead and also add a little bit of baby hair for the girls that like that, but of course you can skip the step. I am headed to dance as always. 6 days a week I'm a dance mom, and then on that 7th day I'm a basketball mom. So I'm headed off for dance mom activities. But if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Okay, love bugs, before we get started, I wanted to share a quick video of the wig fully dry. Now, I have been out for at least about 6 hours since we last spoke, or since the end of the video was filmed. We left off, or you'll see in the end that we do leave off with the wig a little bit damp. I went ahead and allowed it to dry. This is what it looks like after being out in the wilderness of as a dance mom. It looks absolutely stunning. Here is a look at the wig from the back when it is completely dry. Now, obviously, the products that you use make a huge difference in the outcome of your curls, but this is what it looked like, what we're going to use in the video. So now let's check out what the wig looks like in natural lighting from my car and my iPhone. Okay, love bugs, I'm in traffic as we speak, but this is what the hair looks like. Isn't it gorgeous in natural light? She's absolutely gorgeous and she is completely dry. Okay, now that you've seen the outcome, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, love bugs, today we are going curly. I hope you guys are doing well wherever you are in the world. Me, for example, I am doing great. I've been in the mood to smell a little bit of vanilla today, so I'm gonna start doing like a little scent combos. Today I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna go with Casamardi, and this one is Dama Bianca. I really love this one. I feel like I don't use my perfumes as much as I would like, and so I'm gonna start including like perfume combos. This one here, I don't have it comes with a little like rope or like string attached, like a little detail to it. I took it off because my kids are attracted and like to bother it. I love this scent. I believe I picked this one up at Neiman's, but you can get it online. It's definitely a warm vanilla. Y'all know I don't know no notes, but it's very fresh. It's very inviting. To me, it's very feminine. I wouldn't put this on a man, but I love her so much. So I'm gonna have it linked down below. But as I mentioned, today we are going for a curly. And this one has been sitting out, and you can already tell this is that thick, beautiful curly that's gonna give you that natural, like very long black girl magic vibe. This is Burmese curly, and she's absolutely gorgeous. Here is a look at the construction of the cap. As you guys can see, we're going for that free part lace, which means you can part it any and everywhere you'd like. In it, you do have one comb at the very top right here. I believe it's 2 combs on the side, 1 on each side. Beneath that, you do have the adjustable strap, and this one here is more of like the broad strap. Typically I start at like the middle setting, and if it's too tight or too loose, I will adjust. There's a tag here which has their logo and all of the information on their social medias on the back. Here at the nape, you do have a smaller comb, adjustable straps, and then you do also have a little bit of excess lace. Of course, we're going to cut this off, but to me the purpose of this lace is that you can leave a little bit of it. That way, if you want to like bond your wig down in the front and the back, definitely would be able to do so. So for starters, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the tag. I'm going to also cut off the excess lace. I'm going to adjust the straps at the back. We have already adjusted the elastic band, so now we can go ahead and put her on. So this is what she looks like on. Definitely nice and full. She's giving goddess vibes. And here is what she looks like from the back. Now, I love the length on this one and the texture. Again, she is nice and full and curly. I would love to see this one pulled forward, like you take some hair and make it into a bang and do like a big like her / SZA vibe. I think that would be definitely on point. Today we are going to go for a center part. And this is what the center part looks like. You can also do a cute little side part. So So since we already have the center part stamped out, I'm going to work with that. I'm going to start off with the Dynamic Duo, and I'm going to just go ahead and get the hairline as well as the parting tamed down a little bit. And then I probably most likely will open up the hairline using baby hair. Okay, you guys seen I already cut off the lace, bonded it down, did the Dynamic Duo. The next step for me is going to be to go ahead and do the baby hair. Now obviously this step is optional, but I feel like it can help to open up the hairline a little bit. Now I'm going to take some edge control, applied it to the base, and I'm going to cut off excess. I'm going to use a baby hair brush and make the baby hair. Now we're going to repeat the same step on the opposite side. Okay, so we got the baby hair done and it's looking really nice. We actually got it super flat up top as well. I want to put a melt belt on there, but before I do, we're going to go ahead and do the Dynamic Duo. Now, usually I've been using shade 15 in that foundation, but with this one, I think I want to go a little bit lighter, and if I don't like it, I can go over top. I'm going to take the shade 14 and just pack it into the parting. And I really like that. I just need to blend it out. It just makes it pop a little bit and look a little bit more like pre-plucked. And then also here, I'm going to take the shade 16. And this one, I'm just going to kind of mix the colors. This one here is my contour shade. And I'm just going to pack it here. And again, if we don't like the color, we will adjust. That looks really good. That looks flawless, perfect, amazing. Usually I have like a towel nearby, or at least a paper towel, and I will like press everything in to make sure that, you know, the product is just not sitting on top. I kind of want to move this one over just a little bit, just because I like a little bit of forehead, but I also like a little bit of baby hair. So I think I'm just going to grab a small piece of hair right here. And I'm going to add that edge control, wipe my hand really quickly, trim her short, and then I'm going to just take and add it in. A little bit more came out, but I don't mind, so I'm just going to trim this short too and get that all together. Now I really love the way that looks, but now I like this one more than this one, and I don't want to sit here forever just like playing cat and mouse with the baby hair. So now I am super pleased with the way this looks. This one did come with a melt belt, so I would like to go ahead and apply it really quickly, just for a quick 5-minute melt. Not too long, because I'm a dance mom. Of course, it's 3:06 and I have to have the kids dressed in studio wear, uniform, attire, snacks ready. I need to get myself out of this robe and be on the road by 3:15. So the melt belt is applied, and at this point, I feel like I did such a good slay on the hairline that I really just don't feel like I need to do too much. I will go ahead and just do a little water, a little cream, a little mousse. Look at the ends. Look how good that looks. And we're gonna try this mousse out today. I haven't decided if I love it, if I hate it, or if it's just so-so. Right now I think it's just so-so. Not so amazing, but also not so bad. What is bad is my makeup. It's been giving me HE double hockey sticks today. And I'm gonna apply that up top and drive it down. Because it has these beautiful ends, I don't wanna comb it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Again, it had like the concentrated curls, so I think I'm supposed to keep those in, so I'm not gonna comb it out. And I love, absolutely love the way it came out. As I mentioned, I have to go to dance, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video here, but I do want to share with you how beautiful she is. And then when I come back from the studio, I will kind of just insert a clip. My makeup probably will be all over the place, so we won't be as sitting as we are right now. So I want to make sure I give you the look right now. But of course, again, like I said before, when I come back from the studio, I will insert a clip of what the hair looks like. The urge to brush her is driving me. Now she is too tea. I love this girl so much, and every time I brush the hair I do feel an urge to go back in and moisturize the ends. One thing I do like about this one, as far as the mousse goes, it smells like salon to me, and also I feel like it is moisturizing. Like whenever I apply it to hair, I am remembering from the past, and even right now it just feels so soft to touch, like butter if you will. And so that is my favorite thing about this mousse. She's gonna dry beautifully, but for now we gotta get out of here because it's 3:12 and we did our thing. I'm so proud of us. We gotta take some pictures while the makeup is still sitting and give you guys an outro. Okay, so we did a quick hairstyle. We did 2 little bantu knots. Isn't this so cute? Fun way to switch up the hair, get the hair out of your face for the summer. Of course, we can do the clip and the half up, half down, but this is just another option of how to, you know, style your lace really nicely. You can definitely, there's still a little bit more lace on the side if you want to go for like 4, but yeah, this is the look. Now let's get back to the rest of the video. So as I mentioned, this one did come from Wigcool. This is the packaging and what the box looks like. Mine did get a little bit mangled during shipping handling. Somehow it got smushed. And then they had this, it was sealed with the Wigcool tape, which is really cool. I love the texture on this. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. When you open it up, I'm sorry if you can hear that sound. I got my son a handheld blender. Just, I think it's a KitchenAid or something, like 20 bucks in his Easter basket. And he has made 2 or 3 smoothies since Sunday. It's now Thursday, and literally like on average 3 smoothies a day he's made. So this one here is a 26-inch in length unit, and this is the bag that the way it comes in there. Of course, like disinfected and I put in this bag to kind of keep them protected against anything through shipping and handling. And then inside we did get our dust bag, and this one here is like a nice magenta purple with that logo. It goes well with the vibe. I really like this little duo, if you will. We got the melt belt, which you guys already seen me use. There's this info card inside, and if you pull it out, it just have a QR code on the back, and again, all the details. So I just love to show you guys this stuff because I love a good attention to details. Anything you need to know you can find in this book, including some instructions. And then there was this really nice goodie bag. Again, melt belt was inside of here, but we already went to it or accessed it to go ahead and get out the melt belt. Inside we did get a pack of HD wig cap, really nice. A yellow baby hair brush, really nice. And then this 3-pack of lashes. We have competition next week. Luckily we only have 1 day of comp for both girls. All 4 acts are in 1 day, so that's amazing. But of course I like to keep lashes, extra lashes, because comp always needs lashes. So thank you Wigcool for that. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Of course I have the details, a link, and all of the things down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.